Which of these Microsoft Teams certified earbuds has the best mic performance? Let's find out. So the Poly Voyager 360, the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds, and the Jabra Evolve2 Buds are all Microsoft Teams certified. Now, one of the reasons that people like these are their form factor. They're very discreet, and people like that when they're doing video meetings or they're out walking around town. And personally, I use them when I'm working out or running errands. So let's get into one of the things I want to talk about here is that I have done some real world tests with these, and we'll include links to those videos in the description box below. And we're going to do more of those real world tests with these because you will find that the tests that I do in these videos here from my home office are simulated. The audio comes from YouTube videos, and they're played through this mega boom that produces an insanely loud volume, right? So for now, this is a head-to-head with these three, and you guys are going to let me know which ones you think sound the best. Again, I'm not a fan of earbuds in really noisy environments, but sometimes you don't have an option. So anyway, let's get to some mic tests. All right, so now I'm going to introduce some open office background noise. All right, so now we have some background noise. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds in an open office environment. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds in an open office environment. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 in an open office environment. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds and someone is vacuuming in the background. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and there was a vacuum cleaner running in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 and there was a vacuum cleaner running in the background. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds and there were dogs barking in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and there were dogs barking in the background. If you're using the Poly Voyager 360 and there were dogs barking in the background. All right, so now we're going to introduce a crying baby, and this gets really loud, so here we go. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds and there was a baby crying in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and there was a baby crying in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 and there was a baby crying in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds and there was chickens running around in the background. All right, let's go to the next sound. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and there were chickens running in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 and there were chickens running in the background.
So far, no sicknesses have been reported. So Trader Joe's also recently recalled multigrain crackers, 2 types of cookies.
This is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds and there's a loud television playing in the background. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and there was a loud television running in the background. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 and the television volume all the way up. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve2 Buds with a blender running in the background. Alright, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds and there is a blender running in the background. Alright, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360 and there is a blender running in the background. And there you go. So what did you think about these mic tests? Which earbuds do you think perform the best? Let us know in the comments below. If you have questions about any of these solutions, because these are all professional grade device manufacturers that create not only headsets and earbuds and speakerphones, but also video equipment. So if you need help in your meeting room spaces with video solutions, let us know. We can help you with that. And of course, you can book demos to our experience rooms where we have these solutions set up so that you can see how they perform from the remote side, or you can even book an in-person demo and come see it in person in Cape Canaveral, Florida. But anyway, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.